Mastering English, Office Equipment and Tech Talk. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our ongoing series on conversational English. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic: using office equipment and technology. Whether you're planning to work in an English-speaking environment or just want to expand your vocabulary, this lesson is going to be very useful. So, let's get started. In any modern office, there are several pieces of equipment that are commonly used. Let's go over some of them and learn how to talk about them in English. Computer. This is probably the most important piece of equipment in most offices. You might hear phrases like, "Could you please turn on the computer?" or, "I am working on the computer." Printer. This device is used to produce paper copies of documents. Example sentences could be, "The printer is out of paper," or, "Could you print this document for me?" Scanner. Used to digitize physical documents. You might hear, "I need to scan this letter," or, "The scanner isn't working." Fax machine. Though less common now, some offices still use them. You might say, "I'll send the contract via fax," or, "The fax machine is jammed." Photocopier. Used to make copies of physical documents. Example sentences include, "I'm using the photocopier," or, "The photocopier needs new toner." Remember, being familiar with these terms and how they're used will make you feel more comfortable in an office environment. Just as important as knowing the equipment is understanding how to discuss the technology that keeps an office running. Here are some common phrases and words you'll likely encounter. Email. A way of sending messages electronically. You might say, "I'll send you an email," or ask, "Did you receive my email?" Software. The programs or applications on a computer. For instance, you could say, "I need to update my software," or, "The software is not responding." Internet. The global system of interconnected computers. You may hear phrases like, "The internet is down," or, "I'm having trouble connecting to the internet." File. A digital document. You could say, "I'll send you the file," or ask, "Where did you save the file?" Data. Information stored on a computer. Sentences could be, "We need to back up our data," or, "The data has been corrupted." Mastering this terminology will give you more confidence when discussing technology in the workplace. Well, there you have it. We've covered some common office equipment and technology terms to help you navigate an English-speaking work environment with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these words and phrases in sentences to get more comfortable with them. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to keep practicing your English every day. Until next time, happy learning!